Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're going to cover the basics of backend development and set up everything you need to get started. The backend is the part of an application that works behind the scenes, handling things like storing data, managing logins, and sending information back to the front end. You can think of it like a restaurant where the front end is the dining area where customers place their orders, and the back end is the kitchen where the meals are actually prepared. Traditionally, JavaScript could only run in the browser, which made it purely a front-end language. But Node.js changed that by allowing JavaScript to run on the server. This means we can now use JavaScript to build APIs, connect to databases, and manage back-end logic, making it a true full-stack language that powers both front-end and back-end. To follow along, the first thing we'll need is Visual Studio Code. Simply download it from the official website, install it with the default options, and open it up. This will be your main coding environment. Next, we'll install Node.js. Head over to the Node.js website, grab the recommended version, install it with the default setup, and then check that it worked by opening your terminal or command prompt and typing node-v. That command should display the installed version number. Since we'll be working with APIs, we also need a way to test them. Normally, developers use the Postman app, but we can install the Postman extension directly inside VS Code. Just open your editor, go to the Extensions tab, search for Postman, and install the official one. Now, you can send and test requests without leaving your coding environment. Finally, I've uploaded some starter project files to my GitHub so you don't have to start from scratch. The link is in the description, so you can download the zip or clone the repository if you're familiar with Git. That wraps up this tutorial. The links you'll need are all in the description, and the project files are available on my GitHub. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive into the basics of Node.js.